This is a great chance to enhance the quality of life of the Thai people. From the National Strategy on Transportation Infrastructure for the upcoming ASEAN Economic Community, the Ministry of Transport has established the guidelines for the development of double-track rail and high-speed rail for access to major cities in all regions to facilitate traveling to Lana, or Thailand's northern region. The Office of Transport and Traffic Policy and Planning was assigned to study and design the Bangkok-Chiang Mai high-speed rail. The study is divided into two phases, with the Bangkok to Pitsanulok section as Phase 1, with a total distance of 384 kilometers, passing through 8 provinces and 7 stations. And in 2014, the second section, from Pitsanulok to Chiang Mai, as Phase 2, will be implemented. The details are as follows. Route selection for the most suitable and in the best public interest. Station design with a combination of aesthetic value, locality uniqueness, and modernity, fully furnished with facilities for passengers and service users. Level crossing problems will be resolved to ensure safety. Environment and community are addressed for alleviating public concern with the following impact mitigation measures. Land and property expropriation and compensation will only be as necessary and at a justified price. Linkage roads or underpasses will be provided to connect communities that are bifurcated. Soundproof walls will be installed in the noise and vibration affected areas. Rail will be elevated to the previous last flood levels, with pipe culverts along the entire route. Bridges over rivers will have no bridge piles to obstruct water flow. Most importantly, people were given chances to express their opinions while getting to know of project information. A station design contest was arranged under the concept of identity creates value, so that people became involved in the high-speed rail development. High-speed rail project Bangkok-Chiang Mai Phase 2, Pitsanulok to Chiang Mai, will help complete the rail transit system, create accessibility to cities in all regions, promote urbanization, and increase trade and investment opportunities along the route. With a high passenger capacity, the high-speed rail can serve a large number of people, especially from Chiang Mai, a world-class tourist destination and the door for business and investment. Lamphun, a city of green economy under the sufficiency philosophy. Lampang, a city of ceramic handicrafts, creative agriculture, and conservative tourism. And Pitsanulok, a city of socio-economic services and the Indo-China intersection. The high-speed rail will empower economic growth in provinces along the route, uplift the well-being of the people, increase trade and investment opportunities, generate work in fields such as tourism and service businesses, and propagate income distribution, leading to urban development along with environmental conservation. When completed, the high-speed rail project Bangkok-Chiang Mai will open a new era of transportation for Thailand. Fast and safe and with accurate timetables, people can travel for business or relaxation within one day at just 3 hours 16 minutes from Bangkok to Chiang Mai and 1 hour 26 minutes from Pitsanulok to Chiang Mai. With year-round services, it will boost economic growth in the northern provinces as well as generate considerable income regionally and nationally. The high-speed rail project, Bangkok-Chiang Mai, will be an important step for transportation system development. It will help raise the quality of life, boost competitiveness, and effectively respond to the future travel needs while creating sustainable economic growth and enhancing the well-being of the Thai people.